So earlier this month, the House passed the SAVE Act. And I did a video on this probably maybe a few months ago or maybe last year, talking about that this would potentially come down. So what is the SAVE Act? The SAVE Act basically is a voter suppression bill. I mean, keeping it real, right? Because what it means is that you will now be required to show your proof of citizenship when you go to vote. So before you can vote, you have to show your proof of citizenship and you have to bring that with you to vote. What does that mean? That means that you have to bring your original birth certificate, a passport. What if you don't have a passport? Okay. My understanding is like 50% of Americans don't have passports because they don't travel internationally. So what happens if you have a birth certificate, but your birth certificate is in your maiden name and you are now married, and so now your driver's license or even maybe your passport is in your married name. So now the two don't jive, right? They don't go together. So now what? This is going to affect a lot of Americans, a lot of US citizens. And basically it is, for lack of a better word, right? It's to keep people disenfranchised so that they can't go and vote. So that ultimately, we're going to be kind of just shit out of luck when it comes to elections because, a fair or an equality in voting, whether it be Democrats, whether it be Republicans, liberals, whatever. But at the end of the day, this has passed through the House as of earlier this month in February. And essentially, you're going to have your original birth certificate in order to vote and or a passport. And you're going to have to show proof of being a U.S. citizen, and you'll have to bring it with you on voting day. We'll see what happens, moving forward with this.